Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today we are talking about passkeys and why they are replacing password-centric login. Let us start with the technology first. A passkey is a passwordless login credential based on public key cryptography. Instead of typing a password into a website, you approve the sign-in on your device. That approval might use face unlock, fingerprint unlock, a device pin, or another local method. But the important part is not the face scan or fingerprint. The important part is that a private key stays protected by your device or credential manager while the website stores only a matching public key. Now let us understand this with a simple everyday example. Imagine an office building that uses a spoken password at the front desk. Every employee has to remember the secret phrase. The guard checks whether the phrase matches the list. That works until someone overhears the phrase, tricks an employee into saying it, or steals the list. Now imagine the office replaces the spoken password with a smart badge. The building sends the badge a fresh challenge. The badge proves it is the right badge without revealing its private secret. The employee may unlock the badge with a fingerprint or PIN, but the building does not receive that fingerprint or PIN as the password. That is the key idea behind passkeys. The user experience becomes simpler, but the technical model becomes stronger. Now back to the actual technical concept. With password login, the user carries a reusable secret to the website. That is why phishing works so well. A fake page can ask for the password and the user may type it in. If attackers steal the password database or trick the user, they can try that same secret somewhere else. Passkeys change the flow. When you create a passkey, your authenticator creates a key pair. The public key is registered with the website. The private key stays protected locally. Later, when you log in, the website sends a fresh challenge. Your device signs that challenge after local verification. The website checks the signature with the public key it already has. So the website is not asking, did this person type the right secret? It is asking, did the right private key sign this fresh challenge for this real site? That is a very different security shape. It also explains why passkeys are considered phishing resistant. The browser and operating system help bind the credential to the site or app that created it. So if you land on a fake login page, the passkey should not produce a valid sign-in for the real website. This also reduces the damage from a server breach. If attackers steal public keys, those public keys do not let them sign in. They would still need the private keys which are not stored on that server. For engineers, the lesson is that login is becoming less like a form submission and more like a protocol ceremony. There is a relying party server, there is a browser or app, there is an authenticator or credential manager, there is local user verification, and there is a signed challenge that proves possession of the private key. The catch is that passkeys do not magically solve the whole account security problem. The main login flow becomes stronger, but attackers will move toward the weaker edges. They may target account recovery, they may target support workflows, they may steal active sessions, they may look for fallback passwords or email reset links. And users still need a practical way to recover from lost devices or move credentials between providers. That is why portability work matters. If passkeys become easy to use but impossible to move, users may feel trapped. If recovery is too loose, the recovery path becomes the real password. So the takeaway is not simply use passkeys and stop thinking. The takeaway is this: passkeys remove the reusable shared secret from normal login. That is a major improvement. But strong authentication still needs careful recovery, session security, and fallback design. In simple terms, the password asks you to carry the secret. The passkey lets your device prove the secret without handing it over. That is why this shift matters. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish. I will see you in the next episode.